Weigand Construction tells our clients stories. Weigand Construction uses drone technology to showcase the amazing projects that we build for our clients every day. Our goal with this technology is to create a visual that communicates the exciting step forward that your project is taking. Whether you are using it for fundraising, advertising, social media, or just want to see progress periodically, we have you covered. Construction sites can be a dangerous place, and so can airspace. At Weigand Construction, safety is our top priority. Our drone pilots are all FAA licensed and follow all FAA regulations and guidelines. Our pilots manage the process from beginning to end to deliver a quality product safely and efficiently. Our goal is to hand over a great communication tool that best fits your needs. We do this using industry-leading technology in drones and editing software. Let us help you excite others about your new construction adventure. Weigand Construction. Trust. Well built.